Alright, good morning. It's our early one. So some people ask me if I still have the stock tires. Yeah, they are brand new. Yeah, I don't know why I'm saying that, but yeah, I still have my stock tires. Another thing is, a lot of people were concerned about the heater in the garage. I'm just using when I'm gonna be there, and I'm gonna keep the garage door half open. Thank you so much if you are worried, but I thought about it. My bad that I didn't talk about that in the video, but yeah. Today we are driving the Rogue. My wife took the truck. Look at the spot of the truck. My wife took the truck. And we are taking the Rogue. Nissan Rogue. To be honest, I like this car though. It's fully loaded, has everything. Heater seats, heater steering wheel, everything you can ever ask for. There's even the moon roof, the panoramic, right? That's how they call panoramic sunroof, or moon roof, or roof. You see how hard it is to vlog during the winter, even the morning. Look how dark it is. It's like night. Now it's like 6:51, so it's really hard. And every time when I get home, it's the same thing. And now you're probably asking why you're driving your wife's car and not driving the truck, since the truck is your daily driver. So the answer is very simple. My wife's car, it's a lease. As you guys know, we are still deciding what we're gonna do with this. But yeah, she has a lease and she is under miles, way under miles. So she's driving the truck because she just doesn't drive that far every single day. And I'm today, especially today, I'm going to work now, and then I have a doctor appointment, then I gotta go to church for some meetings. It's a long drive. I probably drive today more than 100 miles. Easy. And also, the main thing, it's like today it's a really hard day to vlog, especially about cars, because like my day is super busy. But I'm sticking with the thing that I'm posting every day. Just to give you guys another, challenge how it is. I'm vlogging now, and I'll probably get home. Now it's like 7 o'clock. I'll probably get back home at like 10:30, 11. It's a long day, but when I get home, I gotta edit this thing. So bear with me, right? The reason why I'm vlogging today, it's because I want to share with you guys one thing I want to do with the Corvette. And it's gonna be the same thing like I did with the rock lights. I'm gonna walk you guys through it. And it's a challenge because I wanted one thing, but it was so expensive, and I'm going for the cheapest one, but it's a lot of work. I think that project is gonna take like I'm considering at least 3 videos. I'm going to work now. When I leave work, it's gonna be dark again, which sucks. I'll catch you guys when I'm leaving work, which I hope is soon for me, but for you it's gonna take a couple seconds, like 1, 2, 3. Well, I stopped by a dealer, the dealer that I normally take my truck to, because I saw something, and it's not the Camaro though. It's this thing here. Wow, look at that, dude. That's exactly it's icy, so that's exactly the spec I want. You see, it's a manual. I'm not a huge fan of the red interior, but dude, it's a Z06 and it's white, and it comes with like the 2-stage wing. Yeah, that would be the next project for me. What do you do with this thing? Maybe a wrap, but I just love the white though. And it's a manual. I don't think I can see the price over there, but look at that thing though. I would change the headlights for black ones for sure. 65 grand. It's pricey though. I'm wondering how many miles. Doesn't say how many miles though. But yeah, the Z06 boys. Look how close from the floor it is. Well, more to come on that, more to come. If I had to buy one, that would be the spec, exactly the spec that would be. White with, I'm not a huge fan of the entire red thing inside, but I mean, seats are things that you can change. Yeah, but I love it. White Z06, dude. Can you imagine that white Z06 next to my Colorado? I'm telling you, I'm working for it. Might take a while. Like my Corvette took me like 6 years. This can take more, but I'll get one for sure. Well, back to work. Whoa, we're back. And unfortunately, I don't know if you guys can see well, it is raining. So we're not gonna have too much activity today, but I want to catch up with you guys a little bit on the modification for the Corvette. As you guys know, my Corvette had PPF on the front. Not the entire front though, it's just like half of the roof, through the headlights, the mirrors, the bumper, but I didn't remove the headlights. And one of the headlights, somebody else tried to remove the PPF, which mess up a lot of that. And when I mean a lot, it's like a lot. It's not even worth to keep those headlights. The headlights lens, they normally go bad after a few years, and my Corvette's like 13, almost 13 years old. Of course, it's not in great shape. So actually we have three options. First option would be buy new headlights, the same color, and the other option would be buy the C7 style ones, which they are amazing, they are awesome. They just completely changed the car. The only problem with that one, to be honest, is the price. The pair goes for $1,200, brand new. Yes, $1,200. So my goal is to get one at some point, but now I cannot afford that. And I wanna, to be honest, I wanna do the headers and the X-pipe and the cam first. Then I'm gonna start doing the cosmetic mods. So since that's too expensive and my headlights look so bad, we got the third option. And the third option is replace the lens on my actual headlights. And that's not easy, but I wanna do. I wanna give it a try. So what am I gonna do? I just bought the lens. I believe I can get by the end of the next week. But to remove the lens that are on the headlights now, they are a pain. And I mean a pain because you have to bake those. Yeah, you're not wrong, you have to bake those. So we're gonna do that together. That definitely is gonna take more than one day. It's gonna take you more than one vlog because it's a lot of work. I don't know if I have a lot of time to do in one day. Yeah, that's the plan. That's just a short video just to get you guys going with the plans for the Corvette. I will try to start the wrapping process tomorrow. I also believe it's not gonna, you know, it's gonna take me more than one day, just because I want to take my time. I want to get that right. I hope my next video is gonna be doing stuff on the cars or the truck. All right, I'll see you guys. As always, never forget, enjoy life.